Saving the ocean. The ocean has been around for many of years, but is slowly dying because of pollution. We'll be focusing on plastic and coral interaction. As we dive deep into the ocean, we will not be only seeing beautiful things in the ocean, but we will also see disturbing and horrific images of dying marine life. Why is the reef so important? They play an important role in the ecological cycle, especially in carbon nitrogen fixing. What is nitrogen fixing? Nitrogen fixing is the process of turning nitrogen into ammonia that use plant food in soil. What is carbon fixing? Carbon fixing is part of photosynthetic and oxygen reduction. That leaves us with the big question: why are coral reefs dying? In normal conditions, around 4% of corals suffer from a disease when coral encounter plastic. Pollution that jumps up to 89%, endangering all life on Earth. The reason for the staggering isn't precisely understood, but it's been reported that plastic covers up the sunlight for the coral. Even though we can't go back a few steps, we can reduce further plastic in future. To save the further of the future human race, we have to be the heroes of our story to save the biggest supplier of our oxygen.